Like, that's pretty cool. What do you think for real, though?
What have we done?
You're always complaining you don't have a project. Oh, wait. Are you complaining that you have too many projects?
I have too many projects.
Oh, shoot.
So how am I going to fix it? Another project.
I do love the windows, though. I think that's my favorite part of this. It's only a little creepy. I don't even know if this is as creepy as some of the other ones I've seen. I think I've seen worse. I don't think I'm ever going to understand carpet in bathroom areas, however.
No.
A lot of oak. Step on it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's not going anywhere. Is this thing going to be really expensive, too?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. I didn't even ask what it was going to be expensive for.
It's really expensive.
I like it. All right. Say goodbye for now.
Bye for